Let's start the demonstration of KF sensor and IDS. Let's see the installation process first. Agree the license and select next, and you have to install it. Now you have to reboot your system. Okay, now reboot your system, then after that it will start working. And you have to restart your machine, and then you can work on it. Let's start the demonstration of KF sensor and IDS. Right click, run as administrator, and start. KF sensor is an IDS. Let's see, we have a lot of visitor here and listed. You can see, click here to see the visitors. This is the list of visitor and the activity, the IDs when the visitors start visiting our machine, duration, the protocols, and the visitor. See, it's a MacBook, machine names, okay, Windows XP. Okay, a lot of information we can find out by this IDS. Let's check, these are the visitor, and if we click here we can see the port numbers. These are the ports. Okay, click here. You can add and remove the column in the IDS. See, if you want to see the visitor IP and visitor port, you can click here and you can add the IP. So here is the visitor IP. If you click OK, one more column is added. See, visitor IP. So we have, these are the list of IPs, machines which are communicating with my machine right now. And let's check scenarios, added signature. Suppose I want to take information about this IP address and which kind of packet it is. Click here. See, these are the detail, sensor IDs, KF sensor, start time, when this machine is communicating with my machine. It's a broadcast packet, it's the visitor IP address, domain name, details of the machine. See, this is the visitor IP, their signatures. And you can see, we know that in an IDS or any of the intrusion system, it works with the signatures. So this is the signatures. We can add it a signature, we can add our signature. These are the predefined signatures of KF sensor. You can see a list. If you want to add some signatures, new signatures, and you can click here. You can give the name of the signature, like I am giving test KF sensor message, just my signature. Okay, and what kind of information, the port filtered. If you want to give the port range, then you can also define the port range. Okay, if you want to add something, or you can give the details and just add. Okay, you have to specify one signature. Just wait. You have to add one signature. You have to put, it's the test sign, and I will put add. See, I have made one signature, and then I have to add it. You can see in the last, I have made one signature, test KF sensor. It's hand coded. So by using this added option, we can add our signature. You can also import the signature, you can improve the signature. Okay, import the signature, and in the setting you can see the DOS attack setting. You can set the DOS attack, that how you can identify that upcoming traffic or incoming traffic should be a DOS attack or not. You can customize your traffic. You can also set it by the changing the event color so that you can easily identify it. You can also select by the traffic, incoming traffic, by filter it by using the color coding. Suppose somebody scan our machine, attack on my machine by using some software, suppose Nmap, so we can detect it. Let's check. See, we get a response. Okay, this machine is trying to access my machine. He scanned it by using some tools. You can see the scanning process. Is the alert by the sound, and you can check it, the visitor IP. See the summary. This machine is trying to scan my machine. So it is an IDS, it will detect the system, any intrusion which is coming from the outside. You can see these are the scan, which type of service they want to access. You can see the activity. You can check it, somebody trying to access the machine by using, so by using this IDS we can find out the intrusion detection, and we can take our action. We can make a signature immediately so that this attack can be minimized, or we can counter these attacks.